Ever wish your DNA had its own maintenance crew? One that could literally hit pause on cellular aging? If you're constantly exhausted or recovering slowly, it just means that internal repair crew is lagging behind. Take the bowhead whale. It cruises through life for over 200 years, practically disease-free. Think of this 80-ton beast like a massive skyscraper. It needs nonstop, meticulous, microscopic upkeep. Enter Peto's paradox. Logically, giant, long-lived animals shouldn't resist cancer this well, right? But they totally do. Here's the wild part. Whale cells aren't tougher. In a lab, they actually mutate faster than ours. Researchers were stunned. If their cells are that fragile, how does this skyscraper stand strong for centuries? The secret? An elite maintenance crew. They don't block the damage. They flawlessly repair DNA double-strand breaks. These biological first responders are powered entirely by a specific, cold-activated protein called CIRBP. Thanks to freezing waters, bowhead whales naturally pump out 100 times more CIRP than we do. CIRB is like biological superglue. It locks broken DNA strands back together flawlessly, preventing any nasty mutations. So, here's the million-dollar question. How do we biohack this to activate our very own repair crew? The answer is cold thermogenesis. Plunging into cold water literally forces your cells to churn out CIRBP. Try the Huberman protocol. Just 11 total minutes of cold exposure a week drastically upgrades your DNA repair. It acts like a hard reset, crushing systemic inflammation and kicking off deep, lasting cellular repair. But wait, there's a catch. An elite crew working overtime needs massive amounts of mitochondrial energy. To fuel that process, your mitochondria need the exact support found in Velavi T8 Extra 90%. It uses the CIRBP complex, a powerhouse blend of polyperennials and fir sap, building an unstoppable energy foundation. This stuff actually repairs mitochondrial membranes, crushes oxidative stress, and skyrockets your body's ATP energy production. It basically rescues damaged, low-energy mitochondria, transforming them into fully protected, high ATP powerhouses ready for action. Just 2 milliliters a day in room temperature water gives your maintenance crew the exact fuel it needs. Cold Thermogenesis hires that elite CIRB repair crew, and Velavi T8 supplies the raw ATP energy to run it. The biology is proven. So are you finally ready to activate your crew and conquer cellular aging for good?